Every year you work, you earn, you pay taxes, and somehow the number seems to get bigger. Meanwhile, billionaires, the wealthiest people on the planet, pay little to nothing. How? Why? And most importantly, what can you do about it? The truth is darker than you think. This isn't an accident. This is by design. Once upon a time, America had a very different tax system. After World War II, the highest tax rate on the wealthy was 91%. Today, the top rate is only 37%, and that's just for those who actually pay. So if the rich are paying less, who's making up the difference? You. Over the decades, payroll taxes, what you pay from every paycheck, have skyrocketed, while corporate taxes have plummeted. They've shifted the burden onto you, and most people don't even realize it. Billionaires don't earn money the way you do. They don't get a paycheck. Instead, they use loopholes designed to let them keep their wealth and pay nothing. If you make $50,000 from a job, you pay up to 22% in taxes. But if a billionaire makes $50 million from stocks, they pay only 15 to 20%. It's called the capital gains tax, and it's one of the biggest tax breaks the rich have. Trillions of dollars are hidden in offshore accounts, completely untaxed. Legally, the Cayman Islands, Switzerland, the Bahamas, these places exist for one reason: to help the wealthy avoid paying taxes. In 2020, Amazon made $44 billion in profit. They paid zero in federal income taxes. How? By using deductions, credits, and government loopholes designed just for them. Some billionaires donate to charity, but not for the reason you think. Many use foundations to store their money tax-free. They get massive deductions while keeping control of the funds. Here's a trick: buy a multi-million-dollar property. Claim it loses value every year. Deduct those losses from your taxes. Meanwhile, the property is actually increasing in value. Meanwhile, you don't get those loopholes. Instead, you get automatic paycheck deductions. You get hit with sales tax, property tax, and hidden fees that eat away at your income. While billionaires avoid taxes, you pay Social Security and Medicare taxes on every dollar you earn, even if you're barely getting by. Over the years, deductions for the middle class have disappeared. The government wants your money, but they make sure the rich get to keep theirs. But here's the biggest secret. This system exists because billionaires want it this way. They fund political campaigns, they write the tax laws, they control the game. Every time there's talk of taxing the rich, lobbyists shut it down. Because they have one rule: protect the wealthy at all costs. So what can you do? While you might not be a billionaire, you can still use the system to your advantage. Start investing. The wealthy don't work for money. They make money work for them. Start investing: stocks, real estate, businesses. Get taxed like the rich. Use deductions wisely. If you work from home, run a side business, or have expenses, learn about deductions. Don't leave free money on the table. Support real tax reform. The system only changes when people demand it. Pay attention to tax policies. Vote for leaders who will actually close billionaire loopholes. The question isn't whether billionaires should exist. The question is, why are you paying their taxes for them?